Hello everyone, CodePurpose is back with another video on how to solve beginner problems on CodeChef. So let's see where we are with our progress. Oh, it's look cool. Today we are solving the fifth exercise. That's nice. Today's exercise is sum of digits. So it says you're given an integer n. Write a program to calculate the sum of all digits of the number n. Okay. The first line contains an integer t, total number of test cases, and follows lines. Each line contains an integer n. So we'll need to read n numbers, t numbers, as they say. And for each number we need to calculate the sum of their digits. So let's take this and get at solving. Build iStream using namespace standard iStream service gone in train. So let's make a function as the function find integer sum digits. Let's say that, and we need to return the sum. So we get a variable sum. We have to get the sum of something. The sum always starts from 0, because if we have to add 0 plus another number, it would be that new number, because 0 is a neutral number for adding stuff. If we have the product of something, we had to start from 1, because 1 multiplied by any other number would give the same number. So what we are going to do, while this function should get a parameter n, which will be the number, while n is different than 0, add the sum number more than, and get rid of the last digit of that number. So let's just get a quick look in the main function. We have n numbers, so we read first the n. We go with our for cycle, starting from 0 going until n minus 1, because as we said before, starting from 0 means that we have an extra number which we'll have to cut down from 1 from the total of numbers, and we'll read the number, sync numbers, and just see out some digits of that number. We'll get into explaining it deeply, just to write the code and just test it. Let's take those. We should get 1598. Okay, paste it. Oops, I pasted it twice. Okay, it's better adding it manually. It knows the input to get the message. If we have 1 2 3 4 5, we get 15. Yes. We have 3 1 2 0 3, we have 9. Yes. 2 1, and the last is 8. What are we doing here? So this is simple. We get two integer numbers, n and numbers, where n is number of numbers and number is a number, an integer number. We read the number of numbers, and we read n numbers. So reading a number, this would run n times. So the big deal is here. We are outputting the value that returns from a function. The function, our function is this, the head of the function. That of a function has a structure like this. It has the return type, which is in this case an integer number. It has the name, in this case is some digits. Here we have, and in the brackets, the small brackets, we have to provide some variables, or they are called formal parameters. Let's make this num, make that changes quickly. So let's explain the sum digit algorithm. What we are going, we said that we start from 0 because everything plus 0 is that number. So we go until our number isn't 0. If our number is 0, it means that there's no digit. So what we are doing, we have a number, let's say we have we have 12,345. That's this. And what we are doing now, so we using the modulo operator, we get the remainder by dividing with 10. So the remainder of this is 5. So in the first step we have 5 plus 0, which is 5. Okay, that's good. We got the last digit, so we need to get rid of that digit so we can get the other digit. What we are doing, we divide by 10, because both the numbers are integer. Dividing two integer numbers ignores the decimal part. So if the numbers were decimal, we should have this result: 1234.5, but we have integers, so we don't care about this part. So we have 1234, and that's our new number. So we can repeat this until we have no digit left. Let's see this. So again, now we are getting 4, so we have 5 plus 4, we have 9. We cut down the 4, then we go on 3, 2, 1, and at the end, when we get 1, we'll have 1 divided by 10, which is 0.1, but as we said, integer 0. So when it's 0, we know that there's no digits left to cut out, and we just get out the cycle, and the return command says return the value of sum into the call position, and this value goes back here and it gets outputted on the screen, and you get a new line. Let's get this code and test it. Okay, submit. Hope the testing would be fast. Let's submit. It knows sometimes to be really hard of waiting this. No, do it have a lot. Let's try again later, as I said. Oh, the service is overloaded. There's the one. Okay, successfully executed. Time 0 seconds. Memory. Okay, so let's submit it again. Let's try another. Let's give another shot. Oh, this time it worked. Yeah, we got the correct answer. Yeah, that's the fifth exercise that we solved in this tutorial series. That's cool. We think that we are going on with those to solve as many as we can. That's it for today. Make sure to subscribe by clicking the red button right below the like button, and don't forget to turn on the notification by clicking the notification bell to get notified from our latest videos on how to solve different problems in programming using C++. Thanks for watching. See you soon on CodePurpose.